Hello, I'm now going to show you how to create a leaf spring in Prohi. What I'll do is I'll go to working directory. I will create a new directory, say some new, you can have your own. I'll say leaf spring, okay. And what I'll do, I'll just set that as my working directory. Now, what I'll do is I'll click new. There, I'll say leaf generic. I am going to create this with some random dimensions. You people can, whoever is doing this tutorial can use the actual dimensions. I'll take any one datum plane. I'll say, well, before selecting that, I'll select extrude. I'll select thin. I'll say 9 thickness. And then, well, this depth is, I'll say some 65. And I'll say both sides. Placement, define. I'll select this particular atom and say sketch. I'll change to sketch orientation. I'll just select a simple arc with center on the, sorry, I'll just select a simple arc with the 2 points on this and negative. You can see the center of the arc is exactly on the vertical axis. This one I'll say it has some 5053. Okay, the radius. What I'll do is I'll dimension these two. Okay, as of now I'll say 1100. Okay, it is not taking. Select this. I'll just drag it until I get some good dimension up to near. I'll mark this to 1100. Okay, and this one say 2500. Yeah, I think this should do. Another dimension. Make that as reference. Say 2500. Well, we'll do one thing. We'll not make this one as reference. We'll make this strong. Okay. I'll start over again. It has a coincidence constraint. One hundred. Make this 2500. make this 2800. I'm taking some random dimensions. Okay, very random dimensions. Now what I'm going to do is this dimension, this I'll just say okay. Now you can see that the thickness is coming onto the inside part. I don't want the thickness in the inside part, I want the thickness on the outside. So yes, I just flip it and say okay. Now let's just do one small thing. I'll go to analysis, I'll go to measure. Just want to check if the distance is okay or not. Okay, distance, it carries the center distance, it shows, right? Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll measure the edge length, 9 mm. You can see the thickness is 9 mm. Yeah, that's good. Now what I'm going to do is I will go to model, I'll say extrude, I'll select this one, I'll just go to sketch view, I'll select references, I'll select this and this, then take a circle, tangent again from the starting point, I'll tangent to this. The center, let me take it as 20. Say okay. Then mid plane, previously we get 60, right? Oh, 60. I think that should do. Okay, 65 I think we have given. Yeah. Right. Now select this feature, say mirror, and select this and say done. Okay, now what I have to in the next list, in the list rings, for the first leaf I want these two eyes in with the same length and say same radius. From the next leaf on, I'm going to change a few lengths. I'm going to assemble say some 3 to 4 leaf strings. Okay, leaves, 3 to 4 leaves. For that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to tools, I'm going to create a family table, I'm going to select column. Okay, first dimensions I will select, I want this radius and I want this length. Then I will select feature, I will select this one and this one. Okay, I will go to edit in Excel. I have the Excel opened here. Okay, leaf 1, leaf 2, I'll say some 4 leaves, 4 or 7 leaves I'll take, let us say. Again I'll use this same value here. Okay, leaf 1, leaf 2, select, double click it. Then these are the same values here. First leaf I want everything, but for the second leaf I want the same length, but radius has to increase by an amount of 9 till the last. Okay, then 1100 I'll reduce the length by an amount of say 100. I am doing this randomly. Okay, and then I will select from the next leaf on, I will select no for all. Okay, now just say and just say close. Everything should now, all these things should come here. Didn't come? Why didn't it come? wait, I think leaf 1, leaf 2, leaf 3, leaf 4. I'll take 4 now. Leaf 1, leaf 2, leaf 3 and leaf 4. Okay. 2800. This is equal to this plus 9. Copy, paste. I'll say this 1100, 1100, 1900. For the first two, I want to be yes, yes, no, 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 no. Save. Yeah, you can see here it came. Previously, I think we have done some mistake there. You can add more if you want. Then just go to verify and say verify. All are verified. Okay, close. Then say if you want to preview any leaf, suppose leaf 3, just say preview. You can see here. Okay, now just say okay. Now save this model. Then let us go to new assembly leaf spring leaf string. Just go to assemble. Let us check the leaf one. Okay, right click default constraint. Okay, then assemble leaf 2, open, right click default constraint. You can see here it came. Okay, I will for clarity purpose shading with edges. Then assemble leaf 3, right click default constraint. Then again assemble leaf 4, right click default constraint. Keep in mind the dimensioning process should be same as I have created, because I am using a default constraint here, or in other words I am doing a coordinate system based assembly. Suppose even if I remove this leaf 3, it should not be a problem, the assembly will not crash. Okay, so I'll be, and yeah, in this particular type of cases, assembly based coordinates, coordinate system based assembly is very easy. Just save your name string, then it's ready, you can use it. Thank you for watching my video.